Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and welcome to what is the 1000th video that we have done here. Oh my God, 1000 already. It's unbelievable. And what are we going to do for 1000? Well, we're going to make this bracelet here. Let's use our rotate tool and try to get this kind of straight up and down. Like that. Oh. Image. Fit canvas to layers. There we go. And now I can take my select tool, grab this, and bring it over. This is answering a question from 17 years ago. This is my channel's first video bracelet I had ever done. And my whole point of even doing it was I wanted to show my girlfriend this cool idea I had. And that was basically to make a bracelet like I do in stop motion. And I just thought it would be this really, really cool idea. And so yeah, I did this. And then a lot of people asked how, they wanted the pattern, they wanted to know how I did it, they wanted to know stuff. And to be honest, I didn't have notifications or anything on YouTube. I had no idea that this thing was getting any kind of views. And then years later discovered this thing has over 160,000 views. So it's got 4 colors of pink. Let's figure those out first. There's 1, there's 2. There's 3. 4. I think it goes off the edge like this. Let's take a real quick stab at it to see if that is true. Yes. Because the dark one just makes this little thing here, and then there's something in the middle of that. So this is symmetrical, so I really only need to do one side. And I think my template is too long because this didn't have a big thing in the center. I could be wrong. We'll see how that pans out as we go. So that is my second color there. It goes around all of this. This dark color goes inside of here. This color goes inside of there. And then it's this light color that comes along. And that's this light one here. So the colors go light or lightest, we'll call that number 1, to number 2, the next lightest one, to number 3, always so much easier if you zoom in, but then you have the trouble of making sure you're in the right spot or whatever. You can't see the bigger picture. And then it's the darkest one out here. So that's number 4. And then the 5th color is actually, it's the lightest one again. And that is how you have that little bright dot right in the middle of there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that 4th one comes around. Keep hitting the lines. I don't know. I don't mean to make the mistakes. So this dark one comes around and it acts like just a continuation. All right, so that comes down here. This light one will be in the middle of that. So that's color 4. So the next color is color 3. And it ends right there. So that comes up and goes into around this diamond here. It just kind of stops at this one. So when I said that I thought it was shorter, I didn't realize it was going to be only 1 row shorter. But we can use this move tool to take this line and just bring it up that 1 extra row. And that'll allow us to copy and paste our way to completion. Back to the paint tool, 3rd color is out here. And then the 4th. And then it's the dark one again. It's going to be that little shot on the side. So now I just have to put in all the underlying strings for this. And by doing the ones that we can see where they're going first, like say this one, will make it easier to see where colors change directions as we move on. There. So there we go. I'm going to finish this up. Wow, we thank my YouTube members for making this all possible. I really couldn't do it without you guys. Thank you so much for everything. I plan to make this bracelet tomorrow, and I think I want to kind of go to my roots of making bracelets. It used to be once upon a time I would get out of the house to go do it, and this is a bracelet that I have it memorized. I know how to make it, so I can take this with me and go out and have a good time. I think that sounds like a lot of fun. So we'll have a little bit of a different video for 1001. How does that sound? But yeah, I will finish coloring this in. Thanks for watching. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.